Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to build a simple website with Leadpages. Use the link to Leadpages in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Building a simple website with Leadpages is a straightforward process that involves choosing a template, customizing the content, and publishing your site. Here's a breakdown of the steps. Log into your Leadpages account and navigate to the Sites section. Click the Create New Site button. Leadpages offers a variety of pre-designed templates. You can browse through the collection or filter them by category to find one that suits your needs. Consider using the built-in search function if you have a specific website type in mind. Once you find a template you like, click Start Building to jump right in, or Preview to get a closer look before committing. Leadpages uses a drag-and-drop editor, making customization very user-friendly. You can replace older text and images with your own content. The editor also offers various widgets you can add to your pages, such as headlines, buttons, forms, and social media icons. Use the navigation menu to ensure your website has a clear structure and visitors can easily find the information they need. A key advantage of Leadpages is its lead capture functionality. You can include opt-in forms on your website to collect email addresses or other contact information from visitors. Leadpages integrates with various email marketing services, making it easy to manage your leads. Once you're happy with your website's design and content, you can publish it. Leadpages offers two options. Use a free subdomain provided by Leadpages. Connect your website to a custom domain name that you already own. Leadpages offers two pricing plans, Standard and Pro. Standard plan, $37 per month if billed annually and $49 per month if billed monthly. This plan is suitable for beginners and includes features like a drag-and-drop landing page builder, mobile responsive templates, and unlimited traffic and leads. The Pro plan is $74 per month if billed annually and $99 per month if billed monthly. This plan is ideal for medium-sized businesses and adds features like A/B testing, online sales and payments, and integrations with various marketing tools. Still, Leadpages holds back on advanced integrations and an option for up to 5 Pro sub-accounts. You will have to contact the company for these options. Don't forget to use the link to Leadpages in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website.